Russian propagandists immediately started denying it when reports surfaced that yesterday's Su-34 might have been shot down by an F-16. Fighter bomber calls the plane trash, and in the very next sentence admits that Russian pilots are going all out to shoot down at least one F-16, often taking risks and violating instructions. Moreover, it turns out that most Russian aircraft are lost due to equipment failures and crew inexperience. Nobody shot down our Su-34, especially not the piss-stained F-16 with cowards at the controls, which everyone has been hunting since it appeared in Ukraine. Our fighters, in attempts to reach it, often violate all existing instructions and directives, and only the persuasion of the OBU, command post, and KP, control post, pulls them out of risky approaches for an attack. The Ukrainians know this very well, so the F-16s fly exclusively for TikToks, practically not participating in combat, at most trying to ram another Giron, drone, deep in the rear. This is just the reality. Our aircraft fight, but we don't always lose them to enemy fire or friendly fire. In most cases, equipment and crews are lost due to malfunctions, incorrect crew actions, or spatial disorientation. Sometimes planes and helicopters have to attack and evade enemy missiles, seeing nothing but their instruments, which don't always provide accurate information. At night, in clouds, at high speeds, and under heavy G-forces. Not all of our crews are aces. We have young pilots, recent graduates, some who are inadequately trained or not trained at all. There are also many other factors that can lead to a plane or helicopter crash. Russian servicemen using electric scooters to withdraw from positions, allegedly covering a distance of 35 kilometers. The scooters had to be bought with their own money. Spartan Brigade fought off a Russian assault in Kharkiv region, destroying several vehicles and a reinforced infantry platoon. The brigade notes that the armored vehicles are not often used by the Russians on this part of the front. The assault was repelled remotely using FPV drones and loitering munitions. Kherson region. Russian soldiers continue posting videos of live human hunts online, adding the most unsuitable music. Here, they are trying to kill a woman on a bicycle. Will this elicit deep concerns from the UN or go totally unnoticed? Belarusian propagandist Alexander Shpakovsky said that Belarus and Russia will restore Ukraine and return it to the common bosom of Slavs, as they consider it originally theirs. Russia fears a successful, independent European Ukraine. That is why Ukrainian war is existential for Ukrainians.
A while ago, Alexander Grigorievich said that we are going to rebuild Ukraine together. Let me remind you that in February 2022, Alexander Grigorievich said that we'll return Ukraine to the fold of our Slavic world.
And who didn't
It's quite
understand this
logical.
phrase? No,
A
I think it's
statement that
completely
complements
logical,
the
of course. Who else are you restoring
And I
Ukraine
think
for us too?
no one here in the studio will argue that Ukraine is rightfully ours.
Of course, who else is? It's ours.
And inevitably, sooner or later, today or tomorrow, we will rebuild together this country that was destroyed by fascists, Bandera followers, simple short-sighted opportunists acting against the interests of their people and state.
Excellent work of drones and artillery of the K2 battalion on a Russian assault group. Russians arrived by car to prepare an attack on the battalion's positions, but immediately came under small arms fire. The enemy tried to hide in forest belts, but the result was obvious. At least 2 occupiers were destroyed.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.